we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and related medical terms as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? There are different ways of saying it. At least 3 different ways, as Gestalt, Gestalt therapy. It is sometimes often said also as Gestalt, Gestalt. Finally, you may hear it said as Gestalt, Gestalt therapy. So Gestalt, Gestalt, or Gestalt. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.